All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are at Uranus in Missouri. And if you look right here, that is the Uranus Fudge Factory, where they can dip strawberries in Uranus. No joke. And they have a sweet velvet kind of music going on around here. There's the general store where you can get fudge and candy, taffy and gifts, and it goes on down and hangs around. And then there is the Uranus City Jail, where they will lock your ass up, Uranus up. And then down that way there's some dinosaurs. And if we look right here and we zoom in just a little bit, right there is the fudge in Uranus. Welcome. We're open.
The door says, "Thank you for visiting Uranus. Enter Uranus." Clever Cletus's hillbilly novelties. And novelties they are. It starts out with a hillbilly cell phone. And it says, "Go to top of hill, face direction of call. Take a deep breath and yell. Wait for reply. If no answer, wait for a signal." Okay, let's see what else they have. Oh, they have a weather nut. This is for weather nuts. And as you can see, that is exactly how to work it. The directions are right there. You can pause the video if you need to read it. And the next thing we have is, what is this? This is a complaint department. And I believe we have here a puzzle, old-time nail puzzle. And then we have a bald man's comb. A comb with no teeth. Go figure. And then one of my other favorites is the hillbilly nut scratcher. Those can come in really handy. And what do we have here? If you're thirsty, the hillbilly shot glass. And then as we look farther down, and this takes care of a problem if you have lint in your belly button. It's a hillbilly button brush. And then if you get lost, then here is a hillbilly navigation system. And then if you're about ready to get into a fight, you gotta have this hillbilly can of whoop ass. And they did have some nice shirts too, as you can see. And this was my second favorite shirt. And wait, this was my favorite right here. I'm definitely going to wear that one.
Now, of course, it's pretty simple to learn how to swallow swords. Just breathe in, breathe out, look up at the ceiling. Do not read the board that sounds like orange.
Okay. And don't tell no jokes, right? Or
Don't laugh.
Don't laugh while you're doing it?
Oh, you know, a person sneezed one time doing this and they nailed someone to the wall. I think that person was Johnny Vox.
No, we. Oh,
That way I can see bunny ears onto the back of her
all
head.
right.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Turn.
Oh, no, thanks.
And then when you exit the novelty shop, you're greeted by none other than an alien. And then when you come outside, if you've been in there for a long time like I have, you can see the sun is about to set. But in Uranus, Missouri, they are open for business. And business is booming in this little place. It's very nice for everyone. And as you can see, they even have on their water tower, it says Uranus, Missouri, Route 66, the home of the pirates. And they do dip strawberries in your anus for Valentine's Day, and that is very sweet.